So guys, this is what happening today. This what is happening. They're installing the windows and the roof. Tomorrow we'll be putting some mabaris. So you can see the grooves. These are for the windows. And the roof is done. So mabaris zinaingia kesho. This is the situation now. Sorry for the noises. The work is going on. It's ongoing. So I cannot go there because there's work still being done there. A lot is happening as of today. Let me pass through this. This is installed. Nimebakisha tu kupakwa rangi and that's the situation right now. The windows are coming in. That's the kitchen window. It looks pretty. They are being installed today. The living room window, and that's how it looks. It's very long. Pretty. Look at that, it's so beautiful. This is the gas, and it's already installed. So, and the plaster is done. It looks beautiful, right? We are about to complete this thing. With the rate it's going, tamaliza tu. This is the laundry room. That's the window. So that's the situation, and I'm sorry for the noises. And we cannot stop the work for us to film. No, the work has to go on. So here they have started what do we call plastering on the outside. You can see it's coming along very beautiful. The keys, easy makiwa neck. Oh, it's very pretty. And here it's very smooth. So that's how it looks from the outside. Let me take you to the rooftop. Muone huko mabati ikiinstaliwa, how it looks. Please don't mind the noises. You know I'm on the site. I had to come and see kwenye tumefikia. So this is the staircase. Wanatoboa hivyo. We wanted that design, and still I have to be careful while going up. It's risky. So here I'm overlooking the living room. Let's go up. Ooh, this one. I have to be careful, very careful. This is the rooftop. They're doing some plastering. Can you see? There's the drainage all the way down. Alafu, here's the roof. It's being completed today. Tomorrow tunaeka mabati. Tomorrow is mabati day, and that's how the mountain looks. The hill, it looks like that from here, from this side. It's pretty, right? So I'll see you tomorrow. Hoping I will be on the site. I don't know if I'll make it to come. I don't know. Ndio tuweke mabati, but I hope I'll capture something for you guys. Ndio, I told you this journey we're walking together na tutamaliza together. So bye. Remember to subscribe.